Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. After watching this video, you are going to say goodbye to distraction and welcome to concentration. Now we are going to understand three different phases when you are studying. Number one will be when you are attending online lectures and attending offline classes. Number two, when you are making your own notes and doing self-study from books. And number three, which is most important, when you are doing practice and solving questions. Okay, so let's see.
While attending online class, keep notebook and essential stationery on the study table to avoid movement in between. Similarly, during offline classes, avoid gossips. When you do self-study from book and preparing your own notes, avoid using devices nearby. If you wish, you can use earphone to avoid or minimize the noise from your surrounding without plugging it to any device. The most important, when you are practicing question, set an alarm and get set go to check your speed of solving problem. Avoid using help in between. If you don't know, mark and skip to the next and solve it later. Don't try to sit for too long. Take rest in between and keep yourself hydrated.